Hello, ma'am. May I know which editorials are worth going through in today's newspaper?
Yes, absolutely. It's a very important editorial in the Hindu newspaper today. So come, let's have a look.
The editorial is Putin's visit to India and the aftermath. Now, this editorial talks about Russian President Vladimir Putin's visit to India and what it means after the visit. So, India and Russia have a long and deep relationship that goes back to the Cold War period. That has been mentioned here. And Russia supported India on many critical issues like defense, diplomacy, and regional security as well. Because of this history, both countries trust each other a lot. After the Russia-Ukraine war, many Western countries expected India to reduce its ties with Russia. However, India did not do that. Instead, India handled the situation carefully by continuing the relations with Russia while also engaging with the West. Now, during Putin's visit, India and Russia issued a joint statement that it showed that both countries still see each other as important strategic partners. They want cooperation in areas like energy, technology, trade, connectivity, and defense. India wants to protect its strategic autonomy, meaning it does not want to blindly follow any one group of countries. The editorial also notes that the defense issues were mentioned less openly, even though defense is a core part of India-Russia relations. This silence may be intentional to avoid upsetting Western countries. Overall, the visit showed that India balanced global pressure well, kept its national interest first, and maintained strong ties with Russia without openly confronting the West. Now, let us understand the West, which since the Ukraine conflict in 2022 has boycotted the Russian president, was keen to see how the visit would turn out and whether it would undermine the embargo they had imposed on him for the reasons that are well known. And then the deep connection of India and Russia, that is what has been talked here. India-Soviet Treaty of Peace, Friendship and Cooperation signed between the two countries in 1971 when Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India and Leonid Brezhnev was the General Secretary of the Communist Party of the Soviet Union, transformed the strategic landscape of South Asia. Then, less to extend its hand friendship in India was Mr. Putin's gestures in 2009 during a summit meeting with Prime Minister Manmohan Singh of waiving penalties to enable India to secure its second aircraft carrier supplied by Russia. Alan says that not all of it known to the outside world was significant in the far as close as friendship between the leaders of the two countries. Then, after 1971, the India-Russia relationship took a fresh dimension, and since the Gorbachev era in Russia, India and Russia ties have gone from strength to strength. So that has all has been mentioned here. So why it is important for civil service examination? Let us understand that it is highly important for GS paper 2, which is international relations. Then it becomes highly important for GS paper 3, which is security and defense. And lastly, it becomes very important for essay papers as well, for example of multi-alignment and foreign policy. And
if you want a deeper analysis of this editorial, please go visit our DNA video. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.